Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Kuluma with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Igama lami ngiMprudence kanti ke sibongo sona ngakangomane. So usibindi umpumelelo wakamseleku bekane interview ke namuhla where he spoke about a lot of things. Wakhuluma ke ngana kakhulu Vuyokazi baby mawakhe abanathu bantwana together. So uthi Vuyokazi vele bekangeke aze amshade because Vuyokazi is very disrespectful. Vele yena Vuyokazi bebangeke nje babe bantu labafanela nako o labaphilisana. This is after uVuyokazi abambhadalele malobolo kesana bamsnatcha etandleni takhe umpumelelo Mseleku. Usiko ukuthi umpumelelo ubitter and ujealous guys, like lenza ukuthi bamthathele umuntu nje etandleni bamlobola same time iyamvisa buhlungu, hence why akhuluma kabi ngaye. Abantu abaningi abakujabulelanga lokho lapha ku TikTok because they had the following things to say about umpumelelo. Bathi uthi bonke konke isilima lo mfana, uthi Priska Mamsomi, he is trying too hard ukuzenza ubaba wakhe nezilima zamantombazane zijahe imali yeyise ngoba yena akanalutho. Kanti uthi Raboche amandla afing as if getting married to him at the price kesana. Diakala uthi lo yena, this guy needs to check himself first. Excuses uthi Nosipho Mbatha lo mfana isilima, ukhona umuntu ongakhuluma ngomama awezingane zakhe akanjena. Guys, balibaningi bebangammeli ke kusibinzi bayasho ukuthi cha uyabhetha nje lo mfana awakamseleku, abameli nje abantu abaningi bayibona ustand lento ngulomfana off. Uthi Lady Luck, did he finish matric? Uthi Miss J, he likes talking in a tone ngathi he's making sense. Yeah, masaka explain ake usibinzi yuswe kusilenda la ikhuluma ko I make sense or uyayiva. Ubathi uzama kumlalela kahle uve ukuthi hayi man lento lekhuluma ngomfana I make sense. Balabaningi nje ba against what he was saying kuleya podcast. Uthi Nunu later he will say Tirelo is not a wife material. Uthi Lindo a defend men speak ill of the mother of his children. Uthi utoshada ngazikudzala umpumelelo, but unfortunately ngashade lo muntu lesicabanga ukuthi uyoshada yena, which is uTirelo. Of course sho ukuthi kahle uzama ukushala ukuthi he's not gonna marry uTirelo, but utoshada but not uTirelo. Yazo watubambelela uTirelo nkosi yami. Misho ukuthi njengoba sekuphume Vuyokazi she was excited ukuthi isikhundla savuleka, but unfortunately uGuy uthi yena ngeke azashade muntu lesmartiko. Please subscribe, thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.